Hi children, we meet again and we are continuing with the angles of triangle and exercise on that. I want to do a few more exercises and finish with the angles of triangle and exterior angle of triangle. Look at this number. You have a triangle like this and all these angles are going as A and this is X. You have to find the value of X. Now look at this, it's very easy. Now, this is A. That means all the angles of this triangle is equal to 100, are equal. So, if they are equal, means 180 divided by 3, all these angles are equal. So, each angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Automatically we get A is equal to 60 degrees. So, X is equal to 60 plus 60, that is equal to 120 degrees. So, here some children will be confused, no angles given, we can't calculate. But we must know the rules. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, the angles add up to 180 degrees. So, all the angles are equal, so one angle is 60 degrees. We will take another example. Look at this. This is M, 90 degrees, and we have 32 degrees. So, we know that this is the exterior angle and these are the two interior of the triangle. So, 90 plus 32 is M. So, M is equal to 90 plus 32, that is equal to 222 degrees. We will take another example. Look at this. So, I am taking parallel lines very often because parallel lines is coming very often, and you should be able to identify the correct angles. Now, here we have two parallel lines, and can you see we have a Z here, a nice very clean Z. Z means the angles are alternate angles. So, so these two angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. The letter for corresponding angle is F, but here we have Z. So, Z means alternate angle. So immediately we can say that A is equal to 52 degrees. So, and we have here straight line. Look, everything must be in your fingertips. Straight line, corresponding angles, alternate angles, allied angles, then vertical opposite angles, angles around a point. So, here we have straight line, and we know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So, y we can immediately find out. Y is equal to 180 minus 78, that is equal to 102 degrees. So, y is equal to 100. So, we have, for in this triangle, we have found two angles, 102 degrees and 52 degrees. So, 102 plus 52 will be equal to 154. So, 154. Therefore, x will be equal to, x is equal to 180 minus 154, that is 66, 154. The 180, you can always write that, then you can make a mistake, 26 degrees. So, we have found out all the angles here. How, first of all, the alternate angles A and 52 are equal. Then we have angles on straight line, and then we have angles on triangle. All three rules are coming into effect. We will take another example, C and D. So, all these angles easily you can find out. Now, here look at this one. This triangle, angles of a triangle add up to 100 degrees. If this is 90, these two should be 90, because 90 and 90 180 degrees. No need of adding and subtracting 180, we can immediately say that if this is 90, these two should be 90. So, if these two numbers, C will be equal to 90 minus 50, 40 degrees. Oh, because this angle and this angle 90 degrees, so if this is 50, this has to be 40. So, 40 and 50, 90, 90 and 80, 180 degrees. So, immediately we got C. Then immediately we can find out B. B, what type of angle is B? B and C. B and C are vertical of the triangles. So, B is equal to 40 degrees again. Then again we have, here we cover this, we have a straight line, angles on a straight line. So, D is equal to 180 minus 40, that is equal to 140 degrees. Look how. Then finally we have this triangle, and this is the exterior angle D. So exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. 80 plus this angle equal to 140 degrees. So this is 80. So A should be A is equal to 140 minus 80. This is the exterior angle, sum of the interior angles. So these two added equal exterior angle. So D is equal to 140 degrees. For 140 degrees, take away 80. So that's equal to 60 degrees. So we have found out all the angles. So look at all the rules are coming in here. Angles are on a straight line, vertical of the triangles, angles are on a triangle, and exterior angle of a triangle. All are coming into effect. We will take one more exercise, children, to be able to understand properly. Look at this figure. Here, though the figure looks complicating, it's very easy. So you take triangle by triangle and angles on a straight line, exterior angle of a triangle, all those things are there. So we will go one by one. Now here, look at this. We take this triangle, the exterior 80 degrees is the exterior angle of this triangle. We put it on one side. So therefore, these two angles should be equal to 80 degrees. So x is equal to 80 minus 60, that is equal to 20. So we got immediately 20. So if this is 20, these are the 20. Now look at this y. Y is also the exterior angle of this triangle. Look, it's coming like this. So y is equal to, now we know that x is equal to 20 plus 40. That is equal to 60 degrees. So we have found y, x and y. Now look at this triangle here, angles of a triangle. We know that y is equal to 60. 80 is given here. We have to find out a. So a is equal to 180 minus this 80 and 60. 80 plus 60 is 140. 140 degrees. So 180 minus 140, that is equal to 40 degrees. So we have found out all coming to the roots of the study that we just now we studied. So here angles of triangle is coming, here the exterior angle, here the exterior angle. So these are all children for you. Now you have to do lot of exercises, then only you will be able to be thorough. Now here we have done quite a lot of exercises. Please study those sums and then be thorough with the topic. This is all for you. I hope you have liked the lesson. Please subscribe if you have liked it.